Today I'm taking a look at Kosmic AI. Thanks to Appsumo for sponsoring the video and asking me to check this out. So when you first take a look at what this offers, it seems to have quite a lot of stuff built in. We've got video editor, AI generation, project management, scripts. So there's an awful lot there. So is it a jack of all trades, master of none, or can it really offer a huge amount of these products all in the one application? So when you first log in, you land on the Launchpad, which is basically a dashboard showing you about the jobs section and the explore talent. So the first element of Kosmic AI is a marketplace for you to be able to find and hire experts to help you with whatever project it is you're working on. You can see we've got explore talent. So if we say explore more, it feels like this is pretty early stages at the moment, as there's only 18 results. So if we scroll down, that's your lot, that's all the talent. And we can filter by video editing, animation, script writing, all these topics at the top. And then if you want to check one of them out, so here's a graphic designer, we can go in, we can check out the profile. Right now, no one seems to have earned any money on the platform. I guess that's because they're still getting set up, but they've filled this out. You can then go ahead, message them, view the portfolio, see what kind of services they offer. So for $25, you can get logo design and branding packages. So you can see the Launchpad is really designed for the interaction with the talent, as it were. Then we've got mission control. This is where you can control your assets. So you can see here's a demo video I've uploaded and been messing around with, and you can split things into different projects. And again, you can search by the different types. So it's very quick and easy to find your assets. There's also a built-in task manager. So I've got this on internal tasks, but if there were job tasks, they would show up here. So if we swap back to internal tasks, it's just a nice basic task manager in progress. You can just drag this around. So if we add a new task, we can say demo Cosmic, give it a project, assign it to me, give it a priority, it's to do, add a description, say save, and there we go. We can now drag that around. And so I can see this being very useful if you need some sort of task management. And there we go, we've got a calendar view as well. You can do the week, the month. Pretty simple stuff, but very handy if you're not already using a Kanban board to manage your tasks. So now let's get to the more exciting stuff, the innovation lab. This is set up in a slightly weird manner because scripts is third down, whereas if this was me, I would have put scripts at the top because you want a script before you do recording. So we'll jump to scripts first. You can just write a manual script, just type it in, and this button down the bottom, generate audio, will generate a voiceover, so AI voiceover. And it's just, I think it's just the OpenAI voices. I recognize the names. You can click to hear them.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
Pick the one you want, hit download voiceover, and it will create a AI voiceover of whatever you typed here. If you're not sure what to write in a script, there is AI scripts. So let's give it a quick prompt. I'm not giving it that much information. You would need more to write a really good script, but I'm just saying, write a short welcome script to a video about a new Appsumo deal. Let's hit generate AI script. So there we go, didn't take too long. We've got 2,158 characters of script. Here's a well-structured script in paragraph format. Welcome to this exciting video where we're going to dive into the latest and greatest Appsumo deals that's got everyone buzzing. So then the next step would be to record your script. If you're happy with that, you could generate the audio and have the AI voiceover, or we can record it. Now, this is not going to work because I'm already using my camera, but you can see here we could enable the camera, and then we've got a teleprompter. So in that respect, it's a little bit like Big View. You could write your script and then record it on screen, just to help you make sure you don't forget any lines or that kind of stuff. Once that's recorded, you then move into the video editor. So let's say we're doing a YouTube video, and if we go to media, I've already got one clip, so I'll just drag that on. And so now you're in a very simple video editor, so you can split, crop, you can adjust colors, things like that. We've also got elements, so we've got stock video, and let's type green screen. So let's take this cat. So we've got a cat on a green screen, resize it. And we can now use the smart tools and say, remove this green. And there we go. So if you've got a green screen, you can very quickly and easily remove it from the footage within this application. One thing I found hasn't worked particularly well, and I have let support know, hopefully they can address it, is I was testing out just recording a very simple, very quick video, and then can I do a auto remove? And when I did that, it doesn't seem to work at the moment. It seems to, I left it open for about half an hour and it still hadn't done it. So if you're looking for something that can remove non-green screens, you may need to hold on till they roll out some updates. But what else do we have in the editor? Well, you've got stock videos, photos, you've got the little GIFs, you've got some stickers as well. So we can, if we've got time, yeah, there we go. We can put that above. So you can stack your items, there you go. And we've then also got audio. We've got a nice audio library. So you've got lots of different types of music, and you've also got sound effects. So it's pretty comprehensive. If you want to do quick video edits, it's an all-in-one platform for that. You can edit the video, you can add your text, titles, captions, all that kind of stuff. We've got some effects as well. There's also some transitions, and there's some filters. You can see while I've been talking, I did leave it running, but it's still just working on this green screen removal, and I don't expect it will finish because it's failed every time I've tried it so far. So when you want to export, we can download it. You can select the resolution, give it a name, give it a cover, recommended quality, frame rate, all that kind of stuff. But the features don't stop there. We also have AI video creation built in. So this is similar to various other platforms that are out there. I was quite surprised to see this. So let's generate a video. So you can pick from either stock videos, which, you know, the pixel-based stuff's not going to really work that well because it's going to be a bit more generic, or you can generate AI images. Flux is in there. That's the one I like, but feel free to check out different ones. We can pick the ratio, the quality, how long we want. So let's do 15 seconds, and the type of style. I haven't tried fantasy yet. We can have a voiceover, pick Roger. And if you want captions, you can pick them. And you can see here, it says 15 seconds of captions consumes 0.25 AI credits. So just be aware of that. So I'll turn those off for now because I don't think we'll need them. So here we've just got a really silly little prompt, the tale of a business person going on an epic journey to find the best lifetime deals on Appsumo. He starts out a humble office worker and ends up the hero of his company due to the savings he's made. So 15 seconds again, it consumes AI credits. Let's generate the storyboard. So this reminds me a little bit of Catalyst, which is a previous deal where you give it a prompt and it would come up with a storyboard and it would use AI images to tell that story. So it did that pretty quickly. And so we've got reference images that we can upload if we want to give it a reference image, maybe of a person or a place. And then we've got the visual prompts here and the voiceover as well. So we can go ahead and we could edit those if we want. It's only a short one. So let's give that a quick generate video. Okay, so here we go. This is what it's come up with. Let's press play.
In a world where deals were scarce and budgets were tight, one brave business warrior embarked on a quest for the legendary lifetime deals on Appsumo, a humble office worker by day, but driven.
I could have done with more visuals there. Let me just go back. So we're in the editor, so then you can go ahead and apply media and all the rest of it as I showed you before. But let me just go back to some other ones I've done. So AI video creation. So it did do quite a good one. I asked it to come up with a sci-fi trailer for as cats becoming smart and taking over the world.
In a world where humans thought they were superior, one cat would change the course of history. Whiskers twitching with genius, eyes blazing with ambition, a feline mastermind emerges. From scraps of metal and wires, it crafts an arsenal of wonder, unleashing an era of feline domination. Humans cower as their new overlord conjures towering robots, impenetrable force fields, and gravity-defying transportation.
This is one that I just messed around with. You get the idea. It's written the script, it creates the visuals. They're non-animated, they're just pictures. If you dislike the captions that you've picked, I so far haven't found a way of changing all of them. So if I click on that, see, it's changed it, but I don't think it's changed it. Yeah, it hasn't changed it for all of them. So that's quite annoying. It would be good to have an apply to all. So here's a quick look at the plan deals. If you're interested in this, I'll put an affiliate link down below. There's 4 licensing tiers available from 79 to just under 600, and it's just more of everything. It's more AI credits, more video minutes, more script minutes, more captions, more background removals. Video quality jumps up at tier 3 to 4K, export length. But all of them, you can export as many items as you want. And you also get access across all of them to templates, stock photos, stock audio, teleprompter, all that kind of stuff is all there at all tiers. So as I say, if you want to learn a bit more about this, check out the full details, then click my affiliate link below. Thanks for watching.